When you buy stocks or equities, you have purchased a portion of shares in a company. As part owner of the company, you will then have the right to take part in the decision-making and to a share of its profits or dividends, should the company decide to pay dividends. There are two main ways in which you can earn from stocks. Dividends. This is where the company pays out a portion of its profits to shareholders. Dividends are usually paid per share. Profit or capital gains. This is where the market or selling price for the stock is higher than what you bought it for. These gains are only realized when you sell the share. So, how do you get started? You can get started by opening a JMMB Equity Money Market Account, EMMA. The EMMA allows you conveniently to buy and sell stocks. Our experienced advisors and market insights on JMMB.com can guide you in your stock market investing activities. Or if you want to do it yourself, you can also buy and sell stocks online through our convenient online platform, Moneyline. Start investing stocks by opening your EMMA. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at JMMB Group, or visit our website www.jmmb.com.